Hello everyone. Now continue with our exercise 21.1 question number 7. Question 7 is given here. Rahul walk around a rectangular park. This is our rectangular park whose length is given 100 meter and breadth is given 50 meter. Two boys name given. One is given Rahul, one is given Rohan. Rohan walked twice around a square park. This is our square park. Okay. And Rohan will be walk twice, means 2 times in this park. One side means one time he walk. So total will be 45 meter. So we have to find it here 2 times. Okay. First of all, we will solve Rahul walk around a rectangular park. So mention here Rahul. Okay. So length given, breadth given. So we have to find it here, perimeter of a rectangular park. Perimeter of a rectangular park equal to 2 into L plus B. Length and breadth is given already. So 100 plus 50. To 150. So 2 multiply with 150, 300 meter. Now next we have to find out Rohan. You know Rohan walk a square park. But he walked twice, means 2 times. So simply you have to write perimeter of a square park equal to 4 into side. Okay, 4 and full side is given 45. 4 multiply with 45, 180 meter. Remember it, he walked twice. Twice means 2 times. So you have to find out the twice walk. Rohan walk twice a square park equal to 2 into 180 equal to 360 meter. Okay. Question is given, who cover more distance? Simply Rohan cover more distance. Therefore, Rohan cover more distance. Understood? Now the next question is question number 8. Question given, how much distance does Tina have to walk to go around a triangular field? Okay, we have to find here triangular. Tina have to walk to go around a triangular field. This is our triangular field. Their sides are given different. One side is given 4 meter, second given 12 meter, and the third one is given 15 meter. Okay, all the sides are given different, and we have to find here how much distance does Tina have to walk. Simply what you have to do, first of all AB write 4 meter, BC 12 meter, and AC equal to 15 meter. Okay, we have to find out perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter of a triangle equal to add of the all sides. So what given? 4 plus 12 plus 15. Okay, 4 plus 12 plus 15. Total will be 31 meter. So you have to write, therefore Tina have to walk equal to 31 meter. Understood? Now the next question is question number 9. Question number 9 is given 9A. A scalene triangle means first you have to find the perimeter. Question A is given a scalene triangle with side 7 centimeter. Suppose here given 7 centimeter. Second is given BC 8 centimeter. and your AC is given 9 centimeter. Means this triangle given 3 sides are different measurement. So you have to do it yourself. Don't go with my measurement. I am given on the rough sketch. After that, you have to find the perimeter of a scalene triangle. So perimeter of a scalene triangle equal to, same process, you have to add 3 sides, AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, 7 plus 8 plus 9, total will be 24 centimeter. Okay, now next B number is given, an equilateral triangle. You know equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So one side is given here 2.4. It means second side also 2.4 and third side also 2.4 centimeter. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. You have to find here perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equal to 3 into side. Okay, 3, what side is given? 2.4 multiply with 2.4, total will be 7.2 centimeter. Understood? Now the C number is given. C number question is given, an isosceles triangle with equal sides of 12 centimeter each, 12 centimeter each side given, and the third side is given 9 centimeter. Isosceles triangle means 2 sides are equal, 1 sides are different. It means AB is 12, AC is 12, but BC is 9 centimeter. You know the isosceles triangle definitions. So same process, perimeter of an isosceles triangle equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Same you have to add 12 plus 9 plus 12. Total will be 33 centimeter. Understood? Now the next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is given, a field is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. There was one field whose shape is given equilateral triangle. You know equilateral triangle, one side is given 120. You know equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. If Sonali walked twice around the field, Sonali walked twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay, twice means 2 times. So you have to find here the distance covered by Sonali. First of all, what you will do? First of all, you have to find perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 3 into side. So 3 into A. One side is given 120. It means 3 into 120. Multiply to 360 meter. Okay. Now, next question is given. If Sonali walked twice, means 2 times, then find the distance covered by her. So simply you write Sonali walk twice around the field equal to 2 into 360, then 720 meter. Lastly, you have to write, therefore distance covered by Sonali equal to 720 meter. Now the next question, question number 11. Question number 11 is given, the longest side of a triangle. One triangle, longest side is given 26 meter. its perimeter is given, full perimeter is given triangle 55 meter, and its shortest side is half. Shortest side means half given of the triangle, means 26 given, 26 half given 13 meter. Understood? Again I repeat, longest side 26 meter, full triangle perimeter is given 55 meter, and shortest side of a triangle given half. This AC half. So AC half will be 13. Now we have to find the length of third side. We have to find the length of third side, means BC we have to find. Suppose BC will be X. Okay, for example. Now continue with the process. AB is given 13 meter. Okay. AC is given 26 meter and BC equal to X, because third side we have to find it. Then go with the process. Perimeter of a triangle equal to AB plus AC plus BC. Okay. Perimeter of triangle, full perimeter is given 55 meter. AB given 13 meter plus AC given 26 plus BC given X. Okay. 55 meter equal to 13 plus 26. 39 plus X. Okay. You know the process. 55. What sign is given here? Plus sign. When it will be come here, it should be minus. Equal to X. Now 55 minus 39, 16 equal to X. Now you have to change their place. X is equal to 16. It means the third side, therefore the length of its third side equal to 16 meter. Understood? Now the next question is the perimeter. Question number 12. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 440 meter. It means perimeter. First of all, you will write perimeter of equilateral triangle equal to 440 meter, which is already given. Okay. Now next part is given. Find the length of the side of a square whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the given equilateral triangle. We have to find here the length of the side of the square whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the given equilateral triangle. So what you have to do? Simply write here perimeter of a square equal to perimeter of equilateral, I am written a shortcut, triangle. Okay. Equal to 440 meter, which is given. Understood? Equilateral triangle I am written shortcut equal to 440 meter given. Now go with the formula. Formula to find perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. Therefore 4 into side equal to 440. Okay. Side equal to 440 by 4. 4 table you can give the divide. 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, 0. Site equal to 110 meter. Understood? Now today I have to complete your question number 7 to 12. You have to write in your classwork notebook. Thank you.